Pioneers of the PARAM series of supercomputers, the Center for Development of Advanced Computing, C-DAC, presents its latest HPC offering. RUDRA-based PARAM Shavak, indigenously designed supercomputing in a box solution for beginners. In line with the Make in India initiative of Government of India, C-DAC and VVDN designed RUDRA-based PARAM Shavak is manufactured at the cutting-edge facility of VVDN Technologies. This not only emphasizes C-DAC's commitment to innovation but also demonstrates the strength of collaboration in nurturing indigenous excellence. Running on C-DAC's indigenously developed Bharat Operating System Solution BOSS, the ready-to-use PARAM Shavak comes preloaded with a comprehensive parallel programming development environment, legacy HPC applications and AI frameworks, along with application support and guidance from C-DAC. Time has come that our aspiring scientists will foresee the importance of high-performance computing, reaping benefits from systems made in India. Presenting PARAM Shavak.